Hello everybody, welcome to Layman Solution YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see what does an Instagram handle mean. There are a lot of confusion going around regarding the difference between an Instagram handle and an Instagram username. So for your amusement, allow me to tell you that an Instagram handle and an Instagram username both are the similar term. Sometimes users or people define Instagram handle with a Instagram username, or sometimes people use Instagram username instead of Instagram handle. So for instance, start your app. So I'm searching Harry Styles. So in this, the username is this. Harry Style is the username and Instagram handle. So Harry Style. So this is what Instagram handle is. Types of users on Instagram and how should they choose their username. As we are aware of the presence of two different categories of users on Instagram. The first category is those who are present on Instagram just for the sake of having fun and chilling after a long day of work. These users are the consumers, hence they do not have to have an extraordinary handle. They are there for fun, so let them have it. On the other hand, the second category of users is those who have started their business on Instagram or are earning through it. In a direct or indirect way, these users have to be very careful when it comes to creating an Instagram handle. They need to provide relevant information so that their followers can connect with them. Popular users such as businessmen, celebrities, and sometimes influencers can have their account verified. A verified account means that they get a blue tick in front of their Instagram handle for unique identification. However, for ordinary users, the Instagram handle is the only way to ensure security. There must be no gap between the words and only use the bare minimum of special characters. Use underscores, full stops, numbers, as they all are accepted. Keep the Instagram short types of names to its users. One is your name, which has no restrictions and can be similar to someone else. The other name is the username, which must be unique for your account to be easily identified. This username is also called as Instagram handle. As we have discussed all these things, the last thing that remains is how to change your username. So for this, you have to open your Instagram app, click on profile icon at the bottom right corner of home feed, click on edit profile. Now scroll down to username. From here you can choose or you can change your username.